buddy. Hi. You excited? Yes. Okay, so I get a lot of questions about what I feed Zeus. And so this is a Costco haul that I did. So I get these. These are actually on sale right now. They were, I think, $6.99 for a big bag of them. And they're the large kind. So that was the steal of the deal. And then these were on sale for $5.99. And it's a massive bag. I mean, it's 60 ounces. And so we're going to try those. They're called Jerky Treats. And then this is the food I feed him. The Pure Domain puppy food. So, I mean, that's what I have it for him. And that's a 20-pound bag. And that was $16.99. And then the last thing I got it was this toy. And mostly just because I thought it was cute. But there's a bunch of squirrels in here. And so we'll have him open it on camera. But it was $12.99. So that's the Costco haul.